Assalamualaikum and hi. Today our group will presenting
about elasticity.
My name is NURUL binti BAHARUDIN. My ID number is MDA 2211021.
And my name is NURSALWAHEEDA SABRI. My ID number is MDA 2211038.
And my name is AMIRAH NADIAH and my ID number is MDA 2211005. So for case 1, our topic is price elasticity of demand. In case 1, we want to find the elasticity between cupcakes and cheese tart. So we use the midpoint formula to find out the percentage of the elasticity. So the formula is Q2 minus Q1 over Q2 plus Q1 divided with 2 over P2 minus P1 over P2 plus P1 divided with 2. And for cupcakes, we got 48 minus 60 over 48 plus 60 divided with 2 over 70 minus 10 over 70 plus 10 divided with 2. So equals to 7 over 30.5. So it equals to 0.29. So the result is inelastic. So next we move to the graph. So based on the graph, the percentage of cupcake change in price from 10 ringgit to 70 ringgit. The price change larger than the quantity change. So it moved upward from P1 to P2. Cupcake also has changed in quantity demanded from 60 unit decreased to 48 unit, and the quantity demanded will decrease. So the graph shift to the left from P1 to P2. The graph are not very responsive. So we move to cheese tart. 12 minus 18 over 12 plus 18 divided with 2 over 20 minus 12 over 20 plus 12 divided with 2. So equals to 0.4 over 0.5 equals to 0.8. So the result is inelastic. Okay, so we move to the graph of cheese tart. The percentage of cheese tart change in price 12 ringgit increased to 20 ringgit. Price change larger than the quantity demand change. So it moved upward from P1 to P2. Cupcake has changed in quantity demanded from 18 unit decreased to 12 unit, and the quantity demanded will decrease. So the graph shift to the left from Q1 to Q2. The graph also are not very responsive because of the elasticity are inelastic.
Using the formula, that calculation will be like this. X minus 1000 divided 1000 divided 4 minus 3 equal to 1.5. X minus 1000 divided 1000 divided to 1 per 3 equal to 1.5. X minus 1000 divided 1000 equal to 1.5 multiply 1 per 3. X minus 1000 divided 1000 equal to 0.500. X minus 1000 equal to 0.500 multiply 1000. X equal to 1000 plus 500. X equal to 1500. A change in the price of the good causes a big percentage change in the quantity supply. Based on the curve, when the seller sell 1000 unit of the commodity at a price of RM3 per unit, then at price RM4 per unit, the commodity will be sold at 1500 unit. It is flatter slope of supply curve. So, we can see that it is elasticity responsiveness in price elasticity of supply because elasticity of supply is 1.5.
Income elasticity of demand is measured at the relationship between a change in quantity demand and a change in a real income. So, in question 3, we want to find at the price 7 when income increase from 20,000 to 30,000. What is the calculate the income elasticity of demand and what is the types of good? A rise in income comes with bigger increase in quantity demand for t-shirt. In the town of Maryland, it is mean that the income of elasticity is greater than 1. Based on the curve and the graph showed the highly positive income elasticity because of we find the value is 1.08, which is more than 1. So the curve is highly positive. The types for this curve is luxury goods. When income rises, people spend a high percentage of their income on luxury goods. For another example, luxury goods is sports cars and branded bags.
butter, margarine and Starbucks coffee bean are substitute. But for butter and margarine, as you can see, the curve is elastic because the elastic value more than 1. Meanwhile, the Starbucks and coffee bean is inelastic substitute.
Printer and ink is reduced from Q2 to Q1 for the quantity demand, while the price for printer is increased from P1 to P2. Same goes to Honda BRV, which is the value is negative 0.35 and the value for printer and ink is negative 0.73. Both are viewed as complement goods, but for printer and ink graph shown the perfect inelastic, then Honda BRV and petrol is inelastic because less significant.